Welcome everyone. Good morning, good evening, happy Friday times. Happy Friday times. What's up, chat? Great to see you. We're starting at 8 a.m. today, different for a European time zone. Sticking to the 8 a.m. EST time, which means an hour earlier for the European times, till we are moving to change. I think it's going to be on 29th of March. Good morning, good evening, great to see you guys. Remember yesterday we talked about Nasdaq daily situation, that it could actually get saved around this level, so pretty curious to see what's going to happen today. Oh, had a strong move from the 400s all the way to the monthly opening 680s. Yep, in the last couple of hours, pretty strong move. Good morning, good day, happy Friday. Make sure to like the video, folks. Like the video, be subscribed. Let me tell you something. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways today. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways today. That's going to be the milestone. Trading the YRM accounts. Trading, I want to focus a lot today on Lucid. You guys remember yesterday we made 4,000, 4,500 on numerous accounts. And I want to focus bringing them to the 9,000 level. Yep. We're gonna start trading with the YRM. Massive promotions on board. They just started celebrating $1 million in payouts. $1 million in payouts. Excited, only $570 needed to pass my first top 150k elite daily evaluations. Congratulations. That's gonna be juicy. Congratulations out there. Yeah, elite daily is gonna be juicy. The 50k one, right? Pretty good option out there, guys, for the elite daily payouts. No consistency on the funded stage. For the top on futures new product, for those of you that are not familiar, you'll certainly want to check that out. Keep in mind, no news trading 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. And we got the PCE today coming out in 6 minutes, and Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. Right, so for top 1 futures, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. Prop firms will get terrified today. Make sure to like the video and invite your friends. Let's do that. Let's quickly do that, guys. Come on. Let's just spread the link pretty much everywhere in all the groups. We are live. $125 grand. Look at that price action. On this account, for the YRM, 150,000 instant funded is what we're trading. 450 instead of 540 with my code, so there is an additional 90 bucks. We have strongly negotiated for that. Basically, they have discounts, but by utilizing my code, you're going to get additional discount. So discount on top of discount. 6,000 drawdown at 4,500 with a 3,000 bucks payout is a great deal. Let alone this is instant funded, and the targets are not at 6%. They're less than 6%. 6% is usually the industry standards, even for the evaluation. right? So Lucid, for example, to pass a Lucid Flex, you need to do 6%. Lucid Flex is 241. Actually, it's less than 241, I'm sure about it. Depends on the bolt and the promotion you have. Scramble code will always give you the max promotion you have as a customer, because the promotions are running in different levels. For Lucid, you have 2 users at 50, 2 users at 50, 5 users at 40%, and then unlimited users at 35. Hopefully they will reset these users soon, and then you're still gonna have the 50%, 40% users again. Yeah, 10 minis, 30, 40 minis. Well, think about it, guys. I mean, Lucid Flex is a great deal considering the fact that it's no consistency and no target on the fund at stage. Today I'm gonna post a video on my channel running a tutorial with Trade C, and very likely during the weekend I'm gonna post a video comparing the Apex products with the Lucid products. You guys will see something very interesting, very interesting. I think there is too much enthusiasm, or there is some enthusiasm around Apex, and certain things needs to be explained to people. Right, I'm gonna pull up the rules, and that you're gonna get terrified. Right, so I'll make sure you guys get fully informed about the nature of the business behind. You certainly need to know there is a price for something that is extremely cheap. Good morning, welcome everyone, great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. We gotta collect 180 likes. Remember, 180 likes to perform the giveaways today. That's our milestone. 180 likes. Good morning, great to see you. Yes, we're nicely laddering and gaining momentum here. I'm targeting 1,500, 1,600 for this account on YRM. I'll take it slow. If you guys remember, yesterday we passed an elite daily 100k. We got it funded. Oh my god, Master Trader, look at that. His consistency is down to 20.7. He needs 20% consistency on his 4th payout with YRM. If I remember well, your 4th payout is going to be $6,000. You are nuts with that. So you've cashed out so far 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, and the 4th is $6,000. How much is that totally, guys? Let's just do the math. 2,500 plus 3,000 is 5,500. Plus 3,500 is 9,000. 9,000 plus 6 is 15. 15 grand from a single account. Are you crazy? 15 grand. You get 90 to 10, obviously, as a profit split, which is 1,500 down. It's 13.5 thousand, right? 13.5k. At the price of 450. Oh my gosh. 30 times. Those daily elite, I think it's a great option to have it in your portfolio for daily pals. I'm trading it. We've been trading it daily. And it's great. So 13,500 from YRM, the instant prime, the 150k. From the old payout system. He still has the old account. I think he's trading this account, Master Trader, for more than 2 months. Come on, guys. We're 36 likes. Make sure to like the video. Bring up the volume. We got some news right now. Be careful. 0.7 on the preliminary GDP 0.7%. It was expected on 1.4%, and then corporate PCE came out on flat 0.4% as expected. We are seeing an initial reaction to the upside. Testing out a little short here. Yeah. Testing a little short here for the YRM, and I'm out. We made 187. A good scalping. Like and subscribe, everyone. In order to participate in the giveaways, you gotta like and subscribe. Cheers. I'll do this. Come on. 187. There you go. $187. And then we got the Lucid too. No consistency. And target on the funded stage. I may pull up my quant tower. Trade C is pretty smooth, guys. Pretty smooth on the trade C side. Testing some longs here. If we get to continue the momentum, this is going to be juicy. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm gonna get out of it if we don't want to continue the momentum here. Bring it back to life. Come on. We're quite heavily exposed. Yeah. No momentum, no continuation for the moment. We have our stop loss there. Very likely it's going to get touched. It has been touched. Yeah, I can explain you what does it mean, the 50% daily progression. Look at that buying pressure, guys. Oh my gosh. We have been stopped down and the price went all the way back to the same level. Re-entering my trade. So you have to earn at least 50% of the amount you are cashing out during that cycle. That's what it means. You have to earn at least 50% of what you're about to cash out on that cycle. That's what it means. If you want to cash out 2,000, you at least have to earn 1,000. That's what it means on Tap on Futures daily progression rule. Let's see the next 5-minute candlestick is what I care about. Nah, that's just so silly. Putting my stop loss back there, but this is just insane. All that 1-minute candlestick that has been bought up without taking anything from the highs and then pulling back, or, you know, just continuing. It's just crazy, guys, how some of the candlesticks are fully getting rejected and bought up 15 points, and then the whole market continues dying. This is so bad. I've been trapped on that 1-minute candle. This is so bad. We still have $2,000 drawdown left. But I'll take a pause on that account. I'm not gonna trade it anymore. Massive manipulation, guys. You don't buy that candlestick all the way back, and it's basically triple candles, right? One here, the second there, and then the third one in a row. So you've refused to receive acceptance. Closed all the 3 candlesticks pretty much at the same level, right? And then you still dump it. Without even taking a wick like this or something like that in the next candles. That's such a bad manipulation. Such a bad one. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. We gotta hit 180 likes today to perform the giveaways. Such a bad manipulation. Could be a risk here for a double top. But I think it's going to be choppy here. I think it's going to be choppy there. Good morning. Yeah, only $500 daily loss limit extra I have on that one. I'm going to test out a little long here, but... not trusting it, guys. Not trusting it. Put a stop loss there, $250. Not trusting this one. Yeah. Could consolidate here, but I think it's going to be choppy in this level. Between monthly opening, 682, and probably around the 630, 620s. Bring some market orders here. Limit orders. A lot of nonsense. Take profit around the 53. It wants to look tricky. And he's not really... look at that. I think we're hitting the profit. We're also out here from certain situations. I'm out here from all the trades, guys. Haha. Celebration time. We had $3,000 earned on 3 accounts. This is a Lucid Flex, guys. What you're seeing here, this with 3,000 is a funded account. This one is a funded account with 3,300 profit for today. Boom. There you go. And I think we hit the target here too. $638. Look at that one. $638. I mean, it's not the target of the day. I want to make an extra 1,000 on top of this. Yeah, a very good part is we made money on those. So let's just take them one by one. With a Lucid. Alright, so this one has 5,205. Look at that one, guys, and 159. So I think this one we still have to lose 700 bucks. And I think we're very close to make it funded, guys. This one. It has 159, 660. It's an evaluation of Lucid Flex. And I made more than the 4,500, which stands for 50% consistency. So I want to lose and then verify the account. In order to lose, I'm going to short this one. 4 minis. Let's see. I am shorting 4 minis. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. 180 likes to qualify for the giveaways. We're not doing giveaways without 180 likes. So here's the account, guys. We're about to have it funded. Ha 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 ha. We're about to... No, actually we have a target. Let me see if I lose the money, because I see a much bigger target. I see my target on 160 grand. Let me see if we lose this money. What's happening if we lose this 400? No, we have to lose 700. Let's see what's happening, guys. We have to lose $700. And then I think my consistency will adjust. 8 minis short. We gotta lose. Don't you dare dumping it. We are in a short. Good morning, welcome, guys. We got a little more money, but we're on the way hitting that stop loss. There you go, beautiful, 4,387, putting the account on $158,842. Now, we're going to refresh that page, because they have to update it, right? It will be updated, it's not appearing yet anything. Once they update the balance, I think the target will update too. I haven't crossed 4,500, so the target should not be more than 159. Oh! Ha ha ha. Look at that move, guys. Ha ha. Wow. Wow. That's just crazy, guys. Wow. We managed to do 50 points. Just like that. Here's another account that I traded earlier and we gotta lose. Look at that one, guys. We made 6,400. It's an evaluation. And we have to lose. We gotta lose. Bringing back to 4,500. We gotta lose 2,000 bucks, right? I'm gonna short this one. Trying to lose $2,000. I'm shorting 10 minis. We have to lose 2 grand. 10 minis short. Yes, I've tried. Today I filmed the tutorial video with TradeC. Look at that one. 10 minutes short, aiming to lose 2,000. We're making money. I feel great about TradeC from multiple standpoints. For multiple reasons, it's a good platform. And I filmed the tutorial, guys, so you will have to... You'll have to watch the tutorial with TradeC that I'm going to post today. We're making money, guys, here. We have to lose. Listen up. I'm out of this before it dumps deeper. 10,800 bucks. Oh my gosh. 10,800 bucks. Well, we should have lost. We got to bring this one to 4,500. Got to bring this one to 4,500. This is too much money, right? It's a little bit too much money, guys. We got to bring this one back to life. I'm gonna long it. And we'll have to lose around 6,000. Haha, 10 mini is long. We gotta lose 6,000. Fireworks are ready. As soon as I lose 6,000, I'm sending the fireworks. As soon as I lose 6,000, I'm sending fireworks to you guys. Who says losing money on prop firms is not joyful? Who says it's not joy? Losing money. Depends on the context, right? Losing might be a necessity. If this one rips back with my 10 minutes long, I am in danger. Make sure to like the video, guys. We need 180 likes. To do the giveaways. 180 likes. We gotta lose right now $6,000, actually 6,500, because of the consistency. So wish me good luck with that. I think we can do it, right? I think we can do it. Just a little more, guys. 666 for my target. And I'll be satisfied. Come on, guys, just a little more. Ha 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 ha. It was down to 670s. Make sure to like the video, folks. Trading the Lucid accounts, no consistency and target for the funded stage on the Lucid Flex. Trading YRM Lucid, maximum discount out there. We have to lose. Do not blame me for this. Blame the company that said 50% consistency. Blame that company. And I would long here on other accounts, for example, but I cannot do it because I have the short open, right? That would be hedging. I would long here on a different account. I would test out something. I can't do it because that's hedging and it's not allowed. Make sure to like the video, folks. Come on, 74 likes, 180 needed if you want to do the giveaways. Ha ha ha. Not bad. I might need your help. I'll give you the credentials. You guys can take care about this one, but we're pretty close. We're pretty close. Yeah, we don't get stuck there. We're pretty close, right? We just flushed through that 1 minute pump we had, taking the price action all the way back from the place it has started. Look at that. They're doing it as we speak. They're doing it as we speak. And there you go. We've touched it. Fireworks. 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 Birdie upside. Celebration time comes. We've retraced strongly. This is a massive wick. I don't think this is going to remain untouched. Look at that. I don't think this is going to remain untouched. And let me tell you something, the dirty game they were playing. So they put out here a double top earlier, right? And then dumped on that 5 minute, which has been fully bought up, with the market taking another shot of 80-90 points above the monthly opening. You see how after a double top around the pivot point of the monthly, we managed to get 30 deals. Testing along from here, guys. You're watching right now the one of the accounts that we're trading here is This one is an evaluation. The other one that we have, we got 2 trades open. One is evaluation, the other one is funded. This is evaluation, what you're watching right now with the stats. It needs 4,500 profit. We're pretty close to that, right? Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Hopefully they will not dump it. And we got in along here for the YRM too. We got in along here for the YRM too. What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Yes. Victor, reading through your message right now. On a 150,000 evaluation, how much contract do you tend to use? How many? Depends which prop firm, right? So which prop firm are you talking about, Victor? Which prop firm? And during which phase? Evaluation phase or funded phase? Well, Lucid Flex is no consistency and target basically compared to the YRM. No consistency and target, but with YRM, you're spending $200 extra and you get it funded for YRM. Think about it. Right, so at the price of like 2 Lucid Flexes of 150k, you get an instant funded of 150k on YRM. Overall, yeah, you can max out on Lucid basically. It's really good, but you can at the same time do some split testing in between the 2 companies, Lucid and YRM. In terms of the sizing, evil phase. What you can do in your situation, if you can pass the 50k just fine. For the 50k, you have to do 3,000 bucks. Try to double your sizing, not more. Double your sizing. Because you have a double max loss, slightly more than double, but just go by the double. Double max loss on 150k Lucid Flex than the 50k. So just double the sizing. Don't triple the sizing. Double the sizing of what works on a 50k. Double the sizing. We still have to do like here $500. And this is looking juicy as well, guys, for the YRM. 70 micros. This one is interesting too. I'm selling here. I think we have enough. 4,381. Beautiful, guys. 4,380 on profit here. That's enough for today. We are halfway through. We still have a trade here open. I'm going to put a break even on top of that. But in this case scenario, I think I'm going to be out. Yeah, I'll take a loss if needed here. 177. I don't like this price section anymore. And in this case scenario, I'm just gonna go by $100 profit here. This is a funded account you're watching right now. This one is a funded account. So we have a take profit trailing at $100 and leaving the whole thing open. This is funded, guys. Max payout you can take on a 50k flex is $2,000. Take your time to pass the evaluation of the flex. You gotta do 6%, which is $3,000. Take your time, do not rush. Lucid flex accounts on the funded stage are extremely valuable, and I'll tell you why. You got no consistency and target on the funded stage. So look at that. For example, right now we're sitting on a funded stage here. I got a long. I don't have to cut this long because of any consistency danger, right? I don't have to cut this one. Yeah, the problem with the bigger sizing is the fact that your max loss is not really increasing under the same ratio, right? So you have the 50k account with 2,000 max loss, the 150k with 4,500, right? That's just slightly more than double. But then your target is not that ratio. The target is triple. 3,000 on the 50k and 9,000 on the 150k. It's 6%, right? So obviously there is a gap between the target and the max loss for the 150k Lucid Flex of 4,500. That's right. Meanwhile, there is a gap between your target and max loss on the 50k of just 1,000. Right? So the difference is 4,500 and 1,000 between the 150 and the 50. So obviously, strategically, you do have a relation of benefits in that 3,000 against 2,000. 3,000 target, max loss 2,000. That's right, if we look at that specific relation. But let's not forget, 4,500 max loss is much bigger than the 2,000 max loss, even with the target sitting on 9 grand. Exactly. Oh, there you go. Ha ha. Oh, oh. Ha 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 ha. What's happening today with the markets? You see why using a break even and a profit is needed? Wow. They nicely played with that liquidity. Wondering about a long, guys, here. 2 minutes, 4 minutes long. Are they going to push this one all the way back? Watch this one. We're backing along here, guys. And that looks juicy. We're also backing along here. Ha 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 ha. That looks juicy too for YRM. Let's see what we can do. This is the funded account. Liquidity swept out. It's Friday. Be careful. It's Friday. So you're going to see these kind of things for the upside too. How you set daily profit and daily loss in Quant Tower. You cannot do that. I'm not doing that. I don't know. You don't have the usual settings, such as on TradeC. So in today's tutorial I'm about to post on my channel, you're going to see how you can do it. 5 to 6 minis might be a little too much, but there's also another thing. If you're trading the New York session, then 5 to 6 minis is too much. If you're not trading the New York session and you're trading the current situation, the New York, the London, right? It's different. You can't do the New York and London at the same sizing. You can't do that. unless you are risking a lot. And it has to be a reason for you to do it. Lovely and profitable here. We can get the price action back in the wick. The price is, you know, the trend is for the upside. There has to be another massive rejection, I would say, for the upside in order for us to just dump it. The trend is still intact for the upside. Welcome. But now we're dealing with that 680s on the monthly opening. We still have 23 minutes to go and the market opens. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Thank you so much. Our Discord, like the video. We have to collect 180 likes today. 180 to do the giveaways. We're sitting on 93. So we'll need another 87 if I do the math correctly from the back of my head. There you go. Trading YRM. Trading Lucid. This is looking comfortable here. We could get a surprising candle for the upside right now and take some liquidity. Liquidity sweeps out there. Yeah, I am happy to retest that upper wick. Yeah. I'm going for that theory. Unless we get some bad news again from some sort of announcements. I'm not disappointed in the way the 1 minute candlesticks are looking like, especially the way the previous liquidity sweep has been bought up quickly, right? So we just swept to the upside, swept to the other side. The game is still intact. We got great profit here for this funded. Let's see if we get the reaction round starting with this levels. Right, so if we do double wick. Let's see. Can we do something like that? Double wick. Maybe a closing above 65. Is not going to be that bad, right? Candle closes in 10 seconds. Let's see. And we take this one above 60s. 60, 65, less seconds. Not really. Might be testing some more for the downside. But I still believe here we're going to speak about a choppiness. And that whole wick on the 5 minutes is not going to remain untouched. It's not going to remain untouched. Watch this candle possibly turning green. And then people will celebrate. Watch this 5-minute closing green. Yeah, we got the imbalance here. Got the imbalance on the other side. Time to balance out things smoothly. Time to balance the order book. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely initial reaction. Lovely, guys. Lovely, guys. We have longed it with multiple accounts here with a Lucid Flexus. Ha 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 ha. Ah, ha 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 ha. Oh, that feels great. We have longed it. The question is, where do I exit? Because this could actually go all the way up above 700s. And I want to make some juicy money. There is enough juice for the upside, I think. Better they take this one back right before the opening to the upper side. Give me that 710, 720, 730. Don't you dare. Yeah, let's see the 700s. And let the shorts pile up here for nice continuation downwards, so then we can just trail those guys out and stop loss price section to the upside. Come on. Give me that, guys. I don't want to, I'm not planning to exit out of this. Ha 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 ha. Come on, guys. I don't need to do more than 4,500 here. You know that, right? On this account you're watching. No more than 4,500, guys, on this account you're watching. No more than that. My gosh. Hopefully we don't. My YRM trade is still here, by the way. This is sitting on break even at this point. And the price section looks like this. It's not looking too bearish to me, my standpoint. Right, so the next candlestick could be green, closing out green, which means from the current opening level. Let's see what we get, guys. $68 on the opening. What do you guys think about this candlestick we just opened right now? This 5-minute will have a green closing, or this is going to bring it back down. It looks like a temporary support here delivered. Looks like we have imbalanced and charted the juice out of that wick for the downside. Question mark stays for the upside. That wick remains there above 700s. The previous reaction on the 5-minute is showing strength. Yeah, I want to see continuation after that. So this candle is needed for the upside. We want to see strength. In terms of the copy trading, I suggest you to do copy trading, but at the same time have some solo trading accounts, right? So not doing full copy trading. Yeah, I suggest you to have an approach that is combining both models and adjust from there. I had a very good time basically the last months without copy trading that much. So I have been trading more without copy trading. There you go. Going up or down at the opening. That's just like that at the opening. Up or down with a big question mark. We have that wick for the upside, so... And the pressure loading up. Look at that one, guys. The pressure is loading up here at this level. So we might have see a continuation for the upside. But you see, I am fearing predictions for the openings and for the news and for this thing. So you know how much of a gambling is to trade the openings. I can tell you it is. It is. We got bullish news that sometimes are driving the price action down and sometimes are driving the price action up, right? So you can't really correlate the outcome of a situation with a specific output in a mechanical way. That's why I fear this kind of openings unless I want to be high risk. Yes, that's why I have avoided copy trading, because I know I have bad days, and during bad days I prefer to lose less than everything. So I do not expect not to have bad days. I do not expect not to have losses. I do not expect not to do mistakes. If I know these things about myself, which I think is valid universally for all of us as human beings, then you need a choice, you need a solution for that. And against this. And that means less copy trading. We're making money, guys, here. And I think we're making money on the other side too. Ha 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 ha. Good money here. Think I have to exit from some of my trades, because it's too much. And we'll do so. For example, out of this, I'm out. Out of that one, I'm out. Only one is going to be left. This one, I'm still holding it, because we might get a juicy runner. But this is a funded account. This one is funded. That one is funded. 10 minutes to go for the market opening. Target for the YRM account. I think I'm very close to that because it's 1,000. Look at that one, guys. I'm selling already partially. And you know why? Because we have 1,600 profit. Here we are. You're watching the wrong screen. I've exited out of my trade for the YRM because we've made actually more than needed. We made more with 200 bucks. We have 20% consistency. And celebration time. Come on, guys. Celebration time. We need 1,600. I'm gonna lose some. I'll lose 200 bucks. Or something like that. Yeah. I'll lose $200. 230. 160. Come on. I'll put a stop loss. There you go. Lovely. I put a stop loss break even for my Quantara trade here on this funded account. And we touch it. You see, we had that timing basically for a stronger move, but we got rejected by 685. Might be able to buy lower, and that's why I put a break even. Yeah, I had some investments of losses in this account. I lost some. Like few months, guys. And I have been visualizing it like an investment in my education, skills, experience. Like there's people expecting to have a proper trading experience and journey without experiencing the markets. Like people expecting to learn how to trade from a theoretical approach without trading in a practical space. I think, unfortunately, I say this. It's not that I want it this way, but I think it's the way it is. We have to pay for the practical experience of trading. There's no other way you can have the practical experience of trading, and the prop firms do allow us to purchase some max drawdown at a much lower cost, right? So let me verify. In the title, I've misspelled. Or label. Yeah. Thank you for... giveaways. There you go. $165, all funded on Flex, is a great idea. Yeah, it's not easy. I'm telling you, it might be too difficult, right? Because to gain 165, you also have the funded stage. You're starting from scratch, making 15 grand on a funded stage against 4,500. Max loss is not an easy journey. So what it requires 9,000 for the evaluation plus 15k on the funded. That's 24k on 5 accounts, because you're not copy trading it, is basically $120,000 to be made before you start taking payouts. Might be a little too much. Thinking about less, maybe 155. We got one at 165, but maybe 155 for the rest of them. Thinking about, just circling through my mind. Look at that 5 minute we just had. The 5 minute algo is dumping it. Market open soon. We might see the price action going down till the opening. Yep. Look at that monthly opening rejection, guys. Stunning, right? This 5 minute algo dumped us 30 points. And now we start to question what? Flat top. What if we take these levels before we rush back in the upper liquidity wick above the 700s? What if the market is revisiting the 600s or the 567, 560s? Uh, 165 on all flexes is, I think it's requiring a lot of time, amount of money spent, and might not be that efficient. Unless you do copy trading and it happens for you to be able to do these things from the first maybe 3 months, 2 months, right? You can increase your chances with a copy trader, but at the same time you increase the possible expenses. So maybe with a lower amount of money as a target for the funded stage of the flexes, maybe 155 before you start taking some money out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. We gotta collect 180 likes before we can perform. A 15-minute approach here is not looking that good. Unless we start rejecting this one and we do some choppiness here. Look at this. You have to lose before you can become profitable. You have to lose. You have to pay for the knowledge, for the experience, for going through the emotions, for going through the difficulties of the trader's life. You have to do that. You can't learn that from videos, from books, from whatever form of educational material. Nasty Nasdaq is doing the dirty out here. 680 is dumping on us. But I think that's happening in a such accurate way for a reason. Market is opening in less than a minute, guys. So watch out. Watch out. There is a risk for the upside. Couple of seconds to go. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ha-ha. We got in along, guys. We're making money here. I'm out. I'm out of this one too. We made some money here, but certainly not on all of the positions. Look at that. Quantower is lagging. Quantower is lagging. Wow, look at that wick, guys. We should have exploded. Let's see. I'm not exiting yet. I think it's going above the monthly opening. Let's see. Look at that one. Risking at the opening a funded account here. I'm not that disappointed from what I see. It's still holding here, guys. There's a huge fight. I'm in good profit for today with this one. And I'll allow a little more flexibility. Right? Come on. We get good, actually. Some nice juice here. Send it. Send it, guys, with this candle. Send it. We could get some nice juice. Ha 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 ha. There you go. I told you. I like that situation. Stop loss and break even. Not selling anything yet. Stop loss and break even. Look at that one. Are they doing dirty to me? Nah, we've been stopped out and break even. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Nasty Nasdaq, what are you doing here? And now you bring it back up, right? Look at that one, guys. Are they bringing this one back up? Wow. Quantari is having a massive lag today. You know, I'll have a long here. Right below the wicks. Limit order longs there, guys. This is a funded account. 3,450. Looks great. You're selling below 640s. I'm longing there. We might just undercut and then run. It's Friday, keep that in mind. I put a single contract long. Has been filled up. Risky. I don't think today we're gonna leave that liquidity above 700s untouched. I don't think that, guys. I'm DCAing. I've double up. All the way above 700s. If it holds here, I'm gonna go for that juice. This candle, come on, rip it. Rip it. Adding more, 3 contracts. Rip it, guys, come on. Rip it. Stop loss break even. And I'm letting this one to run. There you go. Woo. Like the video, folks. We gotta touch that 180 likes to do the giveaways. Come on. This is a funded account on Lucid Flex 150,000. Let's go. 2,000 bucks profit here. I'm not closing. That could be a pretty strong reversal point. The place we have reversed. Look at that one. Let me share with you the chart. The algo line is giving a fuel. The red algo line is giving the fuel for the moment. Bring it up. Bring it up, guys, above 700s. Stop loss break even. I got 3,500 already realized. That's why I'm not taking profits. I'm going for a bigger win. Yeah. I'm going for a bigger win. For a bigger shot. This might be a very good level to hold for the next. Release the juice and let's fly. There you go. Keep it running. Come on. Keep it running. We have some supply there. And now we're giving time for shorts to pile up. And then we smash through them. Watch that one, guys. Sitting relaxed. Because we have fuel. I'm selling a contract here. 1. Good. I sold 1 contract. We got 2 contracts right now. Let's see. Let's see. We are on fire. And I think we can do some nice about it. We are on fire. Ha 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 ha. Again, look at the level we're incapable crossing. 680s monthly opening, guys. Monthly opening for March is bothering. Oh, we're testing to breakout. We're testing for the breakout. I've told you earlier, they are giving time for shorts to pile up here, 680s. hoping that it's gonna hold forever, and that might not be the case. Look at that one. We'll find it out if shorts are sufficiently powerful here. 180 likes to start the giveaways. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Happy Friday times. Scramble coupon code for maximum discounts available pretty much everywhere we're trading. YRM, Lucid, Tap1Futures, Savius. All this boys out here smashing through the price section. Lovely profits. Do I go for that 10K? You know, I'm only allowed 4 contracts maximum because we started the account at 150 funded. This is funded. This is funded. Not selling anything yet. I'm selling here a little bit. A limit order. Yes, one has been sold. I'm fully out here. $8,114 fully confirmed on a funded account, guys. Look at that one. $8,114, guys. Celebration time. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Ooh. One. Oh. Let's go. Come on. 720s. Good job passing your 50K elite daily. Good job. There you go. Sweet and lovely. Sweet and lovely. If you're keeping the price section with such rejections, you obviously wanna you do that for a purpose, for a reason. You are showing that price section on the charts for a reason. On the monthly opening, the algo was running before the New York session started. Then what happened? They dump it. They've dumped it. And then it's ripping back. Absolutely beautiful. It is. $606. Did we got that low? Let me see, where did we stop? 611. 611. Look at that one. It's ripping. It's ripping, guys. But we have the weekly VWAP. 775. Weekly VWAP. 775. I'm testing out a short, guys. Look at that. I'm testing out a short here from the weekly VWAP. 775. Call me crazy. Not a long, a short. Why is this one in a long? I've opened the wrong trade, guys. I'm gonna exit. I wanted to test out a short. Not long. We lost like $100. Now we're piling up shorts here. 2 minis. 3 minis. Come on. Just slightly wick above, and I got my shorts open. It's the weekly VWAP there. And we could see the price dropping a little bit. It's not really. Look at that. We've smashed through the whole thing. And we're giving back profits. But gotta relax. 4 minutes short. No reaction on the weekly VWAP. It's insane how bullish and how crazily we went here. No reaction. You know, I was looking like 20-30 points down from there, but let's just wait it out. Come on. So I bought 2 contracts, which means, and I'm out here. My entry is 2, is not good. We're back at 8,052. We haven't lost anything. I think I have the ability to re-enter in a short if I want to test a short a little bit higher than my short was. Look at that. Or maybe not to touch the short. But we made some great profits. Good job, guys. Good job. If we look into the hourly, we'll touch an important Argo line around 850s. For the hourly, 850s. Well, let me tell you something. I think we have a trending line here too somewhere. Let's just measure. Let's see where is our trending line here, guys. It's clear, right? There is a downtrend here. And we might go for a breakout out of this downtrend. So let's find it out. Where is our downtrending resistance line? If we go for the candlestick body, it's going to be like that. If we go for the wick to wick connection, it's going to be like this. Right? Yeah, we do deal with the weekly VWAP here. And that's why we get a little bit punished. How many 1 hour candlesticks we've got for the upside? Look at that. In a row. 160 likes. We got to reach 180, guys, to do the giveaways. Come on, 20 more likes. We have to do it quickly to do the giveaways. 6 1 hour candlesticks to the upside. The 4 hour price section is still part of this choppy environment. And then obviously the daily too. But you should not forget that for the daily, we're sitting on the 200 EMA for the daily. Look at that one. The purple line is the 200 days EMA line for the daily. So I think you should not underestimate the power behind that. We have Jolt job opening. Red for the news. So for those of you that are on Tap 1 futures, careful. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, 4 minutes window, do not trade. I'm watching this one for the daily. We might be able to do the giveaways before the jolts. We can look into the weekly as well, but the daily speaks a lot here. Holding up nicely for the weekly. This weekly candlestick that we've got here is 7 hours and 7 minutes for the weekly closing. It's great, guys. If it's closing like this, so if it's not closing below the 400s today, we're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah. 15 minute. It has to deal with that weekly VWAP here. 776 weekly VWAP for the 15-minute scenario. And the 15-minute is different for the trending line. Look at that one, guys. It has the trending line slightly above if we consider the body. Or if we consider basically the wick, then there's a lot of the room till we touch the resistance trending line on the upside. Yet if we get stuck here, it's going to be counted as a lower high in a downtrending channel. We still haven't touched any of the trending line resistances. And let's not forget, we're close to the New York opening and we can smash through these resistances. Right, so the closer you are to the opening, the more force we have against these walls. $15-minute is not looking bad at all, by the way. 15-minute could actually push. Look at that. All the way back to 800. Ha 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 ha. And we got some profits here, folks. A little too much, right? A little too much. Because this both accounts are... Let me exit out of one. This both accounts are... evaluations. This is an evaluation. Lucid Flex evaluation. I only need 4,500. I don't need more. 10 minis long. We got into that strong candle to the upside. I don't need more. But we're gonna lose it afterwards. Here's the giveaway link. It's always pinned in the chat. Come on, guys. It's pinned in the chat. 10 minis long. We're already way beyond the opening. We can unleash the pressure. 180 likes to do the giveaways. Come on, guys. We're already sitting on 176. Thank you so much, by the way. Streaming from Monday to Friday with daily giveaways, live trading, and educational materials. And there you go, 4,895. We still want to lose here, like what? like 400 bucks. Beautiful. We lost enough. There you go. We're nicely sitting on 4,246 today. Great. I think that's great. But we're going to celebrate this one too, guys. That 31-minute candlestick, I bet a bunch of you did not expect it, but that's why you need trailings. That's why you have to secure your entries with stop losses and break even. Do not play games without securing yourselves, guys. Do not. Weekly VWAP rejected. What's next? 180 likes. Great job. Great job, guys. We're starting the giveaways in a few minutes. 2-3 minutes. Make sure you're subscribed. You hit the notification bell. We are 2 minutes away. I think I'm gonna get a flu from the kids. I'm feeling good, but who knows? Yes, you can trade the news for YRM. Yes, you can fully trade. Yes, 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 yes. I'll put a break even here, guys. Oh, you're not watching. Now you're watching. This is the funded account. And we touched the break even. There you go. This was the last trade for today. 8,224, guys, for this funded account. Lucid Flex 150,000. You know, I'm going to stop trading this one. It's in a very good shape. I'll stop trading this one. We have one at 165 sitting. We have this at 158. Working towards having more in the next period, till I have 5 in a very good shape. Lovely. And then we start taking payouts from all the 5. Yeah, exactly, Quantum. Oh, Matty. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Indeed. Stop loss at break even, guys, like 100 times, of course. And the frustration, and let me tell you something, the frustration is way, way bigger to lose money from a trade you were in profit. So at some point, you were in profit. Watch that movement. At some point, you will... Yeah, we have Jolts opening. Jolts data. Job data. Job. We got the news. Reacting to the upside for the moment, 40 points. Pretty weird here. But we still have a space left till we touch this trending line. $6.95 million compared to 6.76 million on job openings. Number of job openings during the reporting month excluding the farming industry. So there's more than expected, right? With like, 200,000. More than expected with like 200 grand. Yeah. Oh, we traded a lot today. You want to watch the live stream? We had tremendous trading going today. Tremendous. But we're starting the giveaways right now. Right now, it's time for the giveaways. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. It's time for the reward. We need the ducks, we need the wheel, and we need the formula. Make sure to complete the form. So how do you participate? Could be one of your questions. And should be. All the way back below 700s, look at that. However, it's going to be choppy out here at the top the whole day. So, how to participate, how to join could be your questions. Time for the giveaway. Time for the giveaway. First things first, how to join. Like the video. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. With giveaways daily and many other things we do. Join the Discord and be part of the giveaway form of the day. We daily have a giveaway form that you have to complete. I'll give you 10 seconds. The first account we're going to share will be a Top 1 Futures 25K Sim Pro instant funded. That's going to be the first account we're going to share in this giveaway. We're having 3 different giveaways. And you certainly don't want to miss any of that. Lovely. Only a single guess per person with a single number. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not guess multiple times. Watch out for the numbers. We're going to have a 000, 333, 777, and a single number 8. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. Start right now. 000, 333, 777, and a single number 8. We're bouncing from 700s. Having a cup of tea. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today. Thank you. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle and let it run. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be number 8 for sure. Do we touch that green number 7? What do you guys think about it? Or will it be the 0? I think it's the number 7. Congratulations for the winners. We've hit you with a number 7. Congratulations once again for the winners on number 7. Number 7 for the winners. Good job, guys. Here's the duck race. This is what we're going to compete. We're going to compete on the duck race. $54 winners plus Badger. Badger's already, yes. 55 winners totally. Congratulations. Congratulations to you guys. 30 seconds right there. Competition time, not much. Stop right there. Best of luck, everyone. This is a instant funding account we're sharing here. Good luck, guys. Instant funded $25,000 Simpro. Instant funded. From Tap on Futures. Go, go. Instant funded. Zealot. Zealot. Look at that. And we got you winning. Congratulations, Zealot. D money on the second. Sweating. Maybe Zealot did not fill up the form. We're going to find it out right now. Zealot, did you fill up the form? Oh. Zealot. I didn't spell it wrong. Zealot, right? Look at that. Zealot. 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 You did not fill up the form, buddy. Ho ho. Yes. You did fill. Can you see your name here? There you go. Zealot. You are missing. Watching for the next one. D Money. And I think I saw your name, D Money. Ha 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 ha. Congratulations. Congratulations, D Money. There you go. How lucky can you be, D Money? D Money. Ha ha. Congratulations. The account goes out to you. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord, private message. Now we will do 50k Lucid Flex. I know you guys love this account. $50k Lucid Flex. You can't believe it. 50k Lucid Flex. 680s on Nasdaq. Can't believe it, right? You can insert any email blade. Any email, but you need to know the email you have put. Right, so any email, but you need to know it. Watch out for the numbers. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Best of luck, everyone. From 0 to 9, each number appears once on the entry. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Come on. 50k Lucid Flex right now. $2,000 payout. Daily giveaways. Happy Friday times. Be honest with you, I just can't wait to have it on Monday. We're streaming and that's why. We're streaming on Monday. Can't wait to have it. 670s for Nasdaq. Dumping. Dumping big time. It's miserable today on the price. But we say stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Stop right there. Shuffle. And we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. We're having one more giveaway after this. I can tell you the numbers that are not going to be. 04172 will not be. It's going to be number 5. I can smell that. It's going to be number 5. You can relax. For those of you that went with number 5, trust me, guys. It's 5. It's number 5. Congratulations. Good job. Went with a number 3. It was just next to it, right? Still something. We got this 22 players winning. Plus Badger makes it up to 23. 30 seconds competition time for a Lucid Flex account of 50k. Oh. That's gonna be a pretty good spot. You guys have around 5% chance of winning. Badger leading. Badger is leading. Oh, look at that. And there you go. We got Frank winning this one. Not a good sign for sure. Frank is winning this one. There you go, Frank. You're actually daily on the stream. Congratulations, Frank. Look at that one. Frank is winning the 50,000 Lucid Flex account. We're gonna verify. Did you fill up the form? Frank, yes. You are daily on the stream. Good job. Good job, buddy. Congratulations. There you go. Good job. So, time to see the next one. 50k. 50k. YRM. Third giveaway. 50k YRM. You want to hit the nitro at the wrong spot. Got to do this last 6 seconds. That's the pattern to be the winner between the ducks. But guess what, guys? We're going to have a different approach here. So I have the following ratios. 00, 77, and a single number 8. You can start right now. Start right now. 00, 77, and a single number 8. $50,000 YRM account in this giveaway. Let's go. Winning the race and not filling the form is not a good idea. There's more than 200 participants each time on the numbers, on the wheel. And then there's 30, 40, 60, 70 on the ducks. So the probability is so small that it's not worth to miss it. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there, guys. There you go. Shuffle. And we're good to fly. That could be the number 8, guys. That could be the number 8. What do you guys think about? That's the only solo account we had here, the number 8. It's the number 8. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. It is the number 8. Pedal works. Indeed, it works. And now, I want to see you guys jumping around. I want to see you guys jumping around. 48 winners plus badges 49. Ho ho. 49 winners. And it's not going to be the ducks. It's going to be the sack race. There you go. Loading, initializing. And it's going to be 49 winners out here with a sack race. 1 minute competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Sack race, 50k YRM. Let's go. Oh my gosh, and the Nasdaq 630s. He's last, but that's not a bad sign. Because certainly those guys are winning. That are not yet visible or part of the last. Sean. AD at the top, look at that. AD at the top, but someone else is speeding up. VXX. Hey, there you go, congratulations. Look at that one. VXX. You got this. You got this. No idea how you made it, but you got this. We're gonna find it out if you did fill out the form. VXX. No! Ho ho! Not again. What happened today? We had 2 winners not filling up the form. VXX. Ha 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 ha. What happened to you? And who's the second, guys? Who's the second? Tell me. Hey, who's the second? Are you sweating? Are you sweating? 7-7 Brazil? 777. Are you a gambler? Are you a slots gambler? 777. Haha, yes, it filled up the form. Good job. Look at that one. Look at that one, 7-7 Brazil. It's time for you to win. What happened today, guys? What happened today? We just had these winners not filling up the form. Congratulations. YRM 50k. Goes out to you, buddy. Goes out to you. Congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. Watch that price section. It's pretty much wild. Pushing all the way down. Dumping all the way down to daily VWAP 630s. Have a lovely day. Lovely weekend. Thank you guys for everything. It was a tremendous week. I think we had a great performance today, the day before, and so on. And I'm looking forward to it continuing. And we're obviously having a great time for Monday. There's going to be a video published today and maybe another one during the weekend. But a video will be published today, a Trade C tutorial. If you're already familiar with a Trade C, not an issue, make sure you join, you drop me a comment, you hit the like of the video, do those things, they usually help. Thank you once again, guys. Coupon code SCRAMBLE, maximum discount pretty much everywhere. We keep in touch on Discord. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Thank you once again, guys.